Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I thought I would share my MPC 76 Chevy Caprice kit. I picked this up at my local hobby shop. It's been a few months back, but it's still in the plastic, so I thought we could bust this thing open and take a look inside. Sorry. Sorry about the glare on this thing. Get this plastic out. Issue. Well, that's still pretty big glare, isn't it? Here, let's angle it up like that. All right. See if I can pull up a little bit. Okay. Take a look at the chrome tree. Oh, that's about to come loose. There we go. Bumper. There's your grill. I love these big old boats. Oh, it's got a one-piece glass. I found that some of these kits that have the one-piece glass, sometimes they don't fit in there that well, so I usually cut that and then just glue it, and then nobody ever knows the difference. Take a look at the tires. Oh, it's got white walls. Oh, cool. And then this kit comes with the trailer. Oh. So even the trailer has white walls. Or I guess if you wanted to, you could always turn them around. But those are pretty nice. I like those. Let's get a look at this body. The old body here. Man, that thing's a beast. I don't see too much flash on the body. That might need to be cleaned up some, but nothing major. And you got just a simple interior tub. Looks like the detail on the door is a little thin, but that's okay. Oh, it's got some nice texture. And then the chassis, it's got your molded in catalytic converter. That part of the exhaust molded in. Huh. That should be pretty easy. Let's see what else we got. Well, here's your two axles. Oh, there's the exhaust. Oh, there's the nice bench seat. It looks like that'll all. It looks like that'll go under pretty easily. Interior or the dashboard detail is pretty good. Look at that, you can see that ribbon style speedometer. You can see radio knobs, the vents. Pretty cool. There's your firewall. And radiator support. Looks like the radiator is molded into it, yeah. And here's the trailer. I don't know what that is. Huh. Man, you could use this trailer with another kit. I might just do that. I could put this behind that F-150 kit I just bought recently. Ramps. I do like those mirrors, but I don't think I'll be putting them on the Caprice though. And then there's your wheel backs. Let's see what kind of decals we got here. Oh, cool. Mall security. That's neat. Got the Caprice emblems for the hood and the sides. Oh, wow, it's got it for the trunk, the B-pillar, instrument panel, the radio, climate control. Oklahoma plates. Year I was born, 76. Man, you could use these decals on some. That would be cool on a truck. You can make an old shop truck or something out of that. That's pretty neat. I like those. Oh, I got a manifold. Kind of got away. Let's have a look at these directions. They don't look like there's a whole lot to them. Looks pretty simple. Just my camera. There we go. It's pretty simple and straightforward. Yeah, it don't look like there's a whole lot to it. Oh, there's for the Yeah, trailer hitch. And there's how to build the trailer. Yeah, I'm not gonna put that on there either. I'll put that on a truck so I can hook that trailer up to it, but I think that's worth the price of admission right there, just getting that trailer. You can do all kinds of stuff with that. Alright, well, that's it. Doesn't really look like a complicated kit. After I finish up my international cab over, the TranStar kit, which I'll be doing a video on that one as soon as I get it finished. It's just been taking my time on that one. But after doing that semi, it'll be kind of nice to do something relatively quick and easy. I've been working on that cab over since probably middle of December. Let's put this back in here. Oh, axle back got away. All right. All right, that's it for the 76 Caprice kit. I will talk to you guys later. Bye.